Hey guys, good morning everyone and all. Good morning, Baba is not feeling well today. Sashi is feeling a little not too well too. Yeah, because they're having a virus. Bana, we have a virus ba? And we are having breakfast as of the moment I'm drinking coffee. Baba is drinking milk and Milo, of course, and it's such a freaking awesome day. Yeah, freaking. So I'll be out in about in like 10 minutes. 10 in about, yeah, I'll be out. um I'll be leaving 10:30, so it's still 10 minutes before 10:30, so I have 10 minutes to drink and finish my coffee and to prepare all the things that I need to bring, because I'll be going to a fashion show event here in Cebu. So exciting, right? I'm gonna bring you there, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure yet, but let's see. So I'll see you later, guys. Hi, friends. We are on our way to Consolacion, and I'm not so familiar going there. I'm not even familiar in Mandawi City. Here's my driver. He's in charge.
Yeah, not familiar. I've been here, but not most of the time.
You've been here because you said you work on that.
Yeah, in that place, near that place. But that was, I think,
20 years ago.
8 plus 6, that's 14 years ago.
14 years ago daw.
Yeah. Ay, no. That's 8 plus 16.
20.
That's 24 years ago.
Wow, you're still young.
Yeah. What else?
Oh my gosh. We need to be there like 12, and it's so
Yeah,
traffic.
it's still
Still early. That was late. It's already 11:30 on my watch, and we just passed by San Miguel and Coca-Cola. I don't know. I don't know if I've been here. I don't remember because I don't have any business here in Mandawi. But before, when we were little, we used to go to like Katmon, like that, but most of the time I'm asleep, so I don't know the road. Okay. So yeah, good luck to us. Okay, so I'll see you later there at SM Consolacion, guys. Yeah,
No.
guys, can you see the traffic? Can you see that counter? I think we started like 200. Oh my gosh, it's been 2 minutes, I guess, since we stopped here. This is near Pacific Mall, but we're still not there yet. So we're here now at SM Consolacion. Yeah. So we're eating here at the Sinang Pinoy. Yeah, so the event haven't started yet, so we decided that we will be having lunch, and finally we got here. It was a long trip actually, but yeah, I guess that's and SM Consolacion is like 1/4 compared to SMC size. Yeah, I will be saying yeah, but yeah, we're here and we're done eating. So while waiting, I am thinking if I will be having a massage there. But I don't know. And I cannot believe that I will be here at SM Consolacion because this is too far.
It's free.
Too far where I live. So
How many? We lost 9,000.
So yeah,
1,000.
we're here, and the feel here, it doesn't feel like SM actually. It feels like I am in Gaisano because it's a small mall. Small mall. It's a massage chair beside me. I'm kind of feeling a little anxious right now. Why? I don't know why. But I just cannot wait to start. Just can't. Hi guys, so I am here at SM Consolacion, and I will be doing Miss Consolacion's makeup today. Miss Bianca. She is so pretty, you guys. 2016, right? Yeah. Look how pretty she is. How old are you right now?
I'm 17.
Oh, still pretty young. Oh my gosh, she is so I will be doing her makeup today, and we will see you all later. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Bianca. Thank you. Finally, it's a wrap. Say hi, Kim. Hi, Miss Consolacion. She is so
Consolacion
dang
2016.
pretty. Yeah, Miss Consolacion. I did her makeup, and of course, Kim did her hair. What a team. Yeah, I was
Thank
so
you, Lisa.
yeah, thank you to Kim. I was so lucky to be part of this event here in Consolacion. Although I'm not from Consolacion, you guys. I'm from Talisay, but yeah, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm so happy. I really felt happy feeling this adrenaline that I have right now. So yeah, so pretty, Bianca.
Thank you so much.
See you later, guys. Bye bye. Say bye, Kim. Hey guys, look at my face. Everything's gone. I am so sorry that I haven't vlogged that much because I tell you, I got so busy. Yeah, and right after the event, I met up with my friends because somebody is getting married. Yeah, so we got home 10 o'clock already because it's still traffic there. And Pili Kapil, he's eating money. You need a haircut, sweet. This is an insult to me. I am a hairdresser and I cannot cut your hair. Wow, cute. Busy kasi sa money. So yeah, I'm so tired. And yeah, I think I'm gonna say goodnight. And of course, I hope you had a wonderful day as always. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna lose my voice because I laughed so hard today. So yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Hey guys, it's January 2 and we are here at SNC side. Yummers. Eating ice cream. And this too. Baba, eating ice cream. What about you?
Eating nothing.
Eating nothing. So we are now out at SM Seaside and we're looking for the car. We're at the parking area, guys. Hi ba? Wow, that sound. It's kind of soundy. Hala. Oh, there. Okay, fine. Huh. Careful ba? So we're home now, guys, and I'm using my microphone. We did not went to Kasadya sa SRP because it's raining. It's always raining. Yeah, and this year they have a before, for the last 3 years I guess, when they have Kasadya sa SRP, there was no entrance fee, but this year they have an entrance fee, so there are only a few people who went there, and this year we did not went there. So yeah, and the kids is not really excited to go there. I don't know, they don't want to go to Kasadya's recipe. So we're home, guys, and yeah, I'm really using my microphone. So we're home, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, today is January 3, 2017, and I'm back here at my salon. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can see my armpit. Ew. So I'm back, and still kind of a little slow because everybody still has an hangover from Christmas and New Year. Oh, my mustache here, my sweat mustache is improving. I don't know why, but I'm happy. Look at my face. So oily and hazard. Yeah, why am I talking about my face? So yeah, it's January 3 and I'm excited to cut somebody's hair. Oh my god. Armpit. Yeah, like that. So yeah, I'm just hanging out, and I don't know what to do today. So maybe I'll see you later, you know. Today I'm going to do my mother's haircut, and we will be doing also her hair. We'll be applying color. Yeah, di ba, mother? Wow. Yeah. So I'm in some sound.
Sharon, sabihin ka naman.
So now I will be coloring your hair. This is medium brown. I mixed with ash, and this is an ammonia-free hair color. So because, as you can see, oh my gosh, this is so fast. We colored her hair last December, I think first week of December, and look how fast.
Wait, ito first week ko, happy ng Pasko.
Hapit na. Mga second week of December, and see how fast her hair grows, guys. So, a lot of gray hair. So I am using 6% developer only because it is a gray hair. So let's start.
Alain mo na ito.
No? Hindi siya isog.
Simula na nila ako nila ng HAIRDRESSER ang time po niya. Kailangan ko bayaran lahat ng ginawa niya sa akin. Pero ako nila.
So I already wrapped her up, and I'm going to process her for 45 minutes. Diba, mother? And we will rinse it. I'm so sweaty. So see you later, guys. So we've already finished my mother's hair. So this is her dark actually. This is medium brown and I mixed it with a little ash, but yeah, this is too dark than we expected that. Anyways, okay Ramador.
Okay.
But it's really dark. She wanted a light brown. This is medium brown. Maybe I don't know. Next time we will do light brown on her, and she has some color here. Yeah, we're done! Yay! Happy New Year!